flowers. It's a piece of paper, scissors, and if you don't want to Crayola, it's up to you. So initially we're gonna grab a little whatever regular tissue paper. We're gonna fold it in a little pretty square, and then we're gonna cut this. So snip, 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 bam. Okay, the Crayola, if you want, only if you want, you can color your sheet. If you have time, or whatever. This is just like to make a little contrast when you cut it, when you cut the paper flowers. It does not have to be perfect, and then you also have to color the back side. So, for this, we're also going to need a pencil, and we're gonna make a little circle. Well, a big circle. We want a big flower. It does not have to be perfect. All you have to do is make a little circle here, and then from here you're gonna go like a little spiral. Like this is gonna be the thickness of the petals, so you want it less. You're gonna cut it less. Flowers are not perfect anyway, so the lines, the circles, the cuts don't have to be perfect either. Okay, here you have to make sure you have like enough space, because this is gonna be like the base of your circle. This is gonna be like the stem circle, okay? So we're gonna start cutting from whichever direction. I'll say like here, and just cut it off. So this is where we start cutting our girl. Here's where we have, this is dangerous. So here we're getting closer to our center. Be very careful. We have enough space. And that's good, because it's going to be a very big circle in a big flower. Okay, voila, that's good. Okay, now we have a not so perfect circle cut out. See? Alright, so what we're gonna do now is gonna start actually making the flower. We're gonna start from the tip, the tail, and then all you do is just turn it. Just make sure you let go of it, because if you do, it's gonna, you have to restart all over again. So just hold it with one and just twirl it, twirl it. Usually I just hold it with my middle finger and my thumb to hold in the center, and with my right or lefty, you twist it. That makes it a bit easier to hold. Alright, we're almost there. We almost finished with this. Remember, this is gonna be your base. Alright, so here we go. If you can see our base, we can grab some, here we go, thing here. Alright, so you double the tape, you put it on the base, and then you're gonna put the bottom of the flower on it, gently pull it down, and then twirl it against it, and you let it grow a little. Let it expand. Ooh, pretty. And then you grab some tape again. Fold it. And gently lift it up to some of it. And press it down. And there is your flower. And if you want, you can just cut the edges. If it's a bit, if the base is a bit too big for you, just cut enough so it's proportional. There you go. See? And it won't fall. gravity tested. Paper flowers. They're pretty simple. I used to do this a lot when I had free time when I was younger. And why is your finger showing already?
Oh.
Don't move the camera. You're moving the camera.
You're moving your hand.
Okay, whatever. Now what? You're gonna cut this?
Yeah.
Alright, we're almost there. We almost finished with this. Remember, this is gonna be your base. Ooh. You see? You don't have to let go of it. Oh no, what happened? See? We can grab some. We grab some tape. Okay, can you hold this? Stop. You can do this by yourself. If you cannot. This is a bad video.
No, just continue.